Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Windows 11 step by step clearly. To update Windows 11, start by clicking on the Start button located on the taskbar. From the menu that appears, select Settings. In the Settings window, navigate to the Windows Updates section on the left sidebar. Click on Windows Update to access the update settings. Once in the Windows Update section, look for the Check for Updates button. Click the Check for Updates button to see if any updates are available. If updates are found, they will begin downloading automatically. You can monitor the download progress on the same page. Once the updates are downloaded, you may see an option to restart your device. If prompted, click on the Restart Now button to apply the updates. If you want to schedule a restart, select the Schedule the Restart option instead. Choose your preferred time for the restart, then confirm your selection. After restarting, your device will start applying the updates. This process may take some time, so be patient. Once the updates are applied, your computer will boot up as usual. To ensure your system is fully updated, you can return to the Windows Update settings. Click the Check for Updates button again to confirm there are no more updates pending. Your Windows 11 is now up to date and ready to use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.